Hi everyone, let's learn how to fix Apple Watch won't turn on. What if your Apple Watch is not turning on? What to do? What we can actually do? Well, you just need to follow few steps to do so and then check out few things. Otherwise, you can definitely then with those you can definitely resolve it. First is check the charging well, ensure proper charging. Make sure that your charger is plugged into the power outlet, the switch is on, the plug, the socket is working well, the cable you are using to get charged is also working well. There are no cuts onto it, no dirts and debris onto it. Make sure to check those things first because these things are actually much more important to start your watch. Otherwise, you can also try the different socket, different adapter, different cable to start it. Then, second is power reserve mode. Simply turn off the power reserve mode. We can do that because our watch is not working. Our watch is not getting on. Then, what to do first? Simply force restart. Try to force restart. How to do it? As you can see, here is the crown button, and under that, there is another black button. You just need to press and hold both the buttons simultaneously to restart your Apple Watch or give a quick restart to your Apple Watch. Simply press and hold these both simultaneously and wait for the Apple logo to appear. As you can see, it has turned off. Now let's wait for the Apple logo. Okay, maybe it will take 2 to 3 seconds. Here it is. Now it will give a quick restart to your Apple logo. After watching this logo, you can get the idea that your watch is definitely going to start working after this. Now it will also take maybe 20 to 30 seconds and maybe sometimes 40 to 50 seconds even. So you don't need to be panicked. Just be patient and wait for the screen to get started onto your Apple Watch, because sometimes if it takes more than 15 to 20 seconds and maybe 30 seconds, then we actually get panicked and we feel like our watch now stuck on the Apple logo and we start pressing these buttons, like crown button and the under control button. So you just don't need to worry about anything. Just be patient, be calm, and let's wait for this watch to get started, because this quick restart is actually the solution for all the small glitches you're facing onto your Apple Watch, like screen is flickering, Apple logo is just blinking all the time, the charging is not happening, and so on. The list is there is a long list for that. So you just need to worry about it. You just need to wait for it. Be calm, be patient, be relaxed. Just simply relax your mind and wait for your watch to get started. It will actually take time, so don't worry. Let's wait for it. As you can see, still from the past 35 seconds, there is this Apple logo stuck onto the screen. Don't worry, our watch is definitely going to get started. You don't need to worry about it, okay? I'm here to give you the solutions for each and everything. So, after 40 to 42 seconds, you can see our watch has been started. Now, simply enter the passcode you had set it and use your watch as you want. So this is how you can very easily solve this problem that your watch wouldn't turn on. This is how you can turn it on. This is how you can solve it. So I hope this is going to be informative for you and you will get the idea how to do so. So thank you so much and may you all have a great day.